Welcome to our quick guide on setting up SMS settings in the CRM module of Parsimony. Whether you're new to Parsimony or looking to enhance your customer interactions, SMS notifications are a powerful tool to keep your communication streamlined and effective. First, let's log into your Parsimony account. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with the Parsimony dashboard. Next, locate the CRM module from the sidebar on the left. Click on CRM to enter the Customer Relationship Management section. This is where all your customer interactions and data will be centralized. Now, we need to configure the SMS settings. Find Settings in the CRM dashboard. This will take you to the settings page where you can manage various configurations related to your CRM. Look for the SMS settings and click on it. This is where you will set up how Parsimony sends SMS notifications. Now, we need to have an SMS provider. Subscribe and get the SMS gateway URL that provides HTTP API. For this demonstration, let's select VoIP.ms. After selecting your provider, you need to enter the URL in the SMS gateway URL field. Simply copy and paste these values into the respective fields in Parsimony. Then set message parameter and receiver parameter. You will get static values from your SMS provider like username, password, etc. These static values should be entered in the static parameters table. Once you've filled in all your details, click the Save button. This will ensure that all your configurations are securely stored. You are now ready to send SMS notifications through Parsimony. To ensure everything is working properly, it's wise to test your SMS settings. Go to the SMS Center and send a test message. Enter a message and select the Send SMS button. Check if you receive the message on your phone. This confirms that your SMS settings are configured correctly. And there you have it. You've successfully set up SMS settings in the CRM module of Parsimony. This feature enhances your communication with clients and leads, ensuring timely updates and engagement. For more Parsimony tutorials, subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos. Thank you for watching.